Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Tu ni pha na video khat kan siam no min chu kan siam nom chu pi video ham iti le tu laya viral ma so pi pau lamjathang chung chang thua a ho lim na he ka ngai le he video he siam lo the ka hi sa ta pon chi a he video khat kan siam he en chi ep le ama video siam hi ananga yu ten chiu ten chu le keu lim na chom khat nei ding in ka dei sa ne
organization ESO in Burma. So when the moment my house was attacked, calculatively for 3 occasions, so my organization, Thado Students Association, take a decision to impress the Thado Students Organization in Burma to check whether there is any sort of arms shipments or transport from Burma side. So on 31st August itself, we have written a letter communication to the Thado Students Organization in Burma to check whether there is any flow of arms in those areas. Accordingly, the NUG and the PDF has given a strong instruction that arms supply coming from Burma are used to target the Thado's indigenous people in Manipur, especially the Thado student, Thado leader. So since then, the Thado student communities from Burma side are successful in preventing the movement of arms through the help of the NUG and the PDF. So over here, what I would like to come here is, we don't care about all these arms and weapons until my house was attacked by militants. And then it comes to our realization from where does, yes, of course, on the other hand, the Mite side have looted the weapons. But from where does the hill side, the Kuki got their weapons? Are they getting from Nagaland? Are they getting from Assam? Are they getting from Mizoram? Does Mizoram, Nagaland and Assam have that type of sophisticated weapons illegally? No. So we have got, and we believe that these arms must be definitely coming from Indo-Myanmar border. So we have, and then from Behyang till Khampat, going up till Lalim near Tamu district are all the influence of the PDF Thado Defense Army. So we have got, we have impressed them to stop any movement of arms. Since then, as per our input, they have been stopping any supply of arms through the Kachin Independence Army. This is the first-hand information which we have got. So we are successful enough, and in fact, that's a welcome move that Assam Rifle has apprehended any fringe or unwanted elements, whosoever the case it may be. We are also working on that as a indigenous community of Manipur and as an peace-loving community, and as well as a peace advocating community. We nation first for us, and my people out there in Burma are never a threat to Indian security. So they are also helping us a lot in this way. I'm happy for all the cooperation which they have given to us. So yes, we all, national security is paramount to us. So we are contributing as a citizen of India.
Chan chin in ngai khom chu ama chung chang thu a he chang khat chang ni ken jong lungyal ngai to kan nei yen ke ye le le ama he atu sei he wal mong ka sa tan atu sei he aval jet tan wal la he tan chan khan chan hi vet le anu apa pin na mom na nu le pa jong nei lo ngap ham ti jong he lungyal ka nei ko mong kom san anu apan jong apho thei lo ham hitabanga galai to lai tan me khei te to ki howa hi ti at new so a thil ase ho he ka vet le anu apan jong a hil lo ngap ham alim hi vet le lung sit sit o men akisa na hi athi thei mo he tai e ho Christian hi ji wa ei ma ki su kha le ki to kha ding anup lo ji wa nam mi ten tu na he ki ve ham ma uma he an la ma he akisa na hi vet le de lo ta sei do an ti ho hi vet le pu na jong o men Michael Lamjathang hi sei lo wa i het su ke jun chan he na chi na thep na hi na nam ke pal na ding hi le na nam na to hi na zong to ki ngap min lang ki them la chun ke pa min ti ka de na tu na nang ji a hi i chan ge ham khat na ipa deu he nangin na su set he en til iza kai he nang hin na thip mon he ji en aji in na nan aga na to na jong he koi ma na ha e pon en la lung sit wang amin nen hoi ham ha ma en la nangin na ki het pon sab pau liang pau i het mana chu aching athi ma ke pon en la ne het ding khat cho miem he athi ten iza kai ahin ko he pan na be en na thi the en sai pi ong kho ale na le en an la ai me chang khat na lu zang ta ka pi den a thi the en chebang a chun nang jong he ngai lu na za la men me chang khat na thi the na he en an la min nen hoi ham en chiong ki nen lang hin ko phaten mang la chun ka de yin he nain ko man hi na to se hi kan ve to pen na ham na hi ne aval tan na to se ho he di thei mong pun chi en anu apan jong hilwin lang phowin lang hilta wangyam na chana na wo hele hita bang nam ke pal na thei bol do chapa na ne yo itidana na pum vet vet jeong ham anu apan ipi bol ham acha khat hiti a nam ke pal na ting bol do thei chapa chanu anei le ida apho lo ham ti ke kalung don na pe na anu apan jong atu se hi iti ti ta apen pi aso pi cham le anu apa hen a support ngam ham ti jong ka ye le na an la na support lo du mai the en na support lo mai the an la na pho tup lo rong lew me nam pi en na su khel na to khel hi mit a ve le jing en nang ji en ke ho jong zum na mai mo na ka tu ji we tin sevin lang pho ta wangem na pho lo ngam ham hi ti a nom ta za hang ta yau jing he thil pha he poi ti he ka sei do no me na om chan akan chan he thil jo se an su khelen tu tha do kiti ho sei pha de pon nam thu min ku ki thai thau hen aman tha do tsa gam tin sei kho ngai boy ama tha do lam kai ka he tia gam tin a sei kho jong ngai boy ching a ki sa le ki to thim hen lang mi ngan sen ama achi na thep na he ki son pi a nam ke pal na the en bol do ket le nam pin jong ama chunga he got na pile ti ka de se na ke man jong an la chan hi vet le lung sit ji a he kin hoi en ama jong mit alung sit ngai lu he ki he den lang hi le pha he en hi chan ge ya min bol ta a jong a ki he do lo la he en an la an ko ten sei pi wen lang phat de chan hil tien wen ti chu ka de sa ya chu tu na video kan se me an ko ten na cha pau na tu pau a ki sa na he ve mo na lu khai nam pi ki pal na thei thil bol do ai ji en tu nen an ko ten na ki pho de wen ka de sa na ke ma ai ma hi jong lang i ma cha hi jong lang hita bang platform hin mang cha a kalung thlai lo na thu kan se en ka sei na la a sei ling let le ki ngai da mutin i sei do chu chan chu tan te ka ki pa video ki ten ki mu to ki ta te